Do 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 do. What is your name?
Pete Brown.
What is your favorite color?
Orange.
You are cleared to go. What is your name?
Pete.
What is your favorite color?
Blue. Wait, no green.
Oh! Dugare Castle, just south of Galway. Insert your favorite Monty Python lines below. Oh yeah, we busted it out. Neat little coastal town. What's that? You're not even close to it? Stay back.
Wow, oh my gosh, that is up on its keel. Oh dear.
Yeah, when the tide goes out around here, you just let the boat sit on its keel.
Yikes.
What kind of ship does that look like? What was the question?
A pirate ship.
Is that a pirate ship? Looks like it. Look, it's been for sale for so long the phone number's faded off of it. It's just sitting on its keel here. I'll show you something on the other side.
That one.
That one's a pirate ship?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pirate
There you
ship
go,
or
Pete,
something?
the boat of your dreams. Right here in Ireland. Water just flows out of the rocks. The Fairy Queen. So this is pretty common around here. These full keel boats just get parked on their keel when the tide goes way out. Now, if you're down there doing a repair on your wooden sailboat, for example, replacing a plank below the waterline, in this situation, the time that you have between now and before the tide comes back up is what's called being between the devil and the deep blue sea. You got to get that repair done before the tide comes back up.
There's rocks in there.
And it's a quick and cheap way to get your boat fixed without having to haul it out or go to the boatyard, or, you know, in many cases in the old days that's the only choice you had. Between the devil and the deep blue sea. Kinvarra, Ireland. There's the castle right over there. And this steel part down here is called a worm shoe, I believe, and it prevents the worms from crawling into your keel as it sits in the mud. And here's a sacrificial anode to corrode away before the corrosion eats away everything else. You got all that, Pete? You ready to go wooden boat? Wake up and smell the wood rot, Pete. It's time to go boating. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Ready to go swimming, Pete? Last one in's a rotten egg. Michelle? Always wanted to go to the beach in January.